good morning, students.
Good
Uh,
morning,
ve-
sir.
yes, very good morning to all of you. Welcome to online education. Myself, Mrs. Sanghamitra Sanjay Pawar from Sivri Crossroad MPS, and I would like to say thank you, Administrative Officer, that is Veena Sonavne Madam, Nodal Bit Officer Sharad Kurade Sir, Nodal HM Mary Pushpam Paul Madam, and Assistant Nodal HM Mrs. CNO, that is Ratilal Burungule. So, move to the thought for the day. Okay, our today's subject is English. It is prose, and subtopic is topic number 7, that is Major Dhyanchand. Okay, so let start with thought of the day. So, can anyone read the thought, please?
Yes, please. I can
Yes,
read.
please read the thought.
Health is wealth. Is wealth.
Thought of the day, that is health is wealth. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now, yes. So, health is wealth means one's health is greatest wealth. Okay. And the definition of health is state of a person's physical, mental, emotional, and social well-being. Okay. And every person must maintain good health. Followed, every person maintain good health, and it makes them feel good and positive. Okay, so children, the importance of sports in our life is unique. Yes, and what are the benefit of sports? Can anybody read this? What are the benefits of sports? Yes, please, anybody read this?
Miss
First
first
one
one.
is, yes, first one is
Sport is an activity that
sports
requires.
is an activity. Yes, please read.
Sport is as activities that requires physical and mental skill.
Okay, second one. Yes,
Second one
second
is
one is
sports.
sports.
In sports, two or more than take part
Take part
one another.
against one another. Very good. Third one is sports is an important and essential part of
Of
human beings
human
since
beings
old
in old
times.
time.
Okay. Yes. Fourth one. This is
Play
third one. Fourth one. Please
playing
read.
sports builds the personality and characters of a person.
Character of a person. Good. Now fifth one is it is helpful in keeping our diabetes, weight loss, etc. Okay. So sports improve the
Sports improve the
capacity,
muscle
strength, and enhance our mental
mental
capacity. Okay. So
capacity.
these are the benefits of the sports.
Miss
Slide
H1,
relate. Yes, this is the slide related. Okay.
Miss I
Yes,
can read.
dear. Now this is the slide related to games and related to sports. Okay. So can anybody tell me which is this first game? This is
Catching.
cricket. Cricket.
Yes, miss.
Okay. This one is badminton. She's playing
Badminton.
badminton. Yes. This one is basketball.
This is basketball.
Yes. And which is this game? Yes. And
No,
which is this
hockey.
game?
Hockey.
Hockey. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now, this is also basketball. This one is,
This one
what
is
is the name of this
badminton.
game?
Badminton.
This one?
Which one, miss?
Yes. This one is kabaddi. Okay.
Kabaddi.
Yes, badminton, and this one is kho. Okay,
Kho.
so these are the various game. Yes, so we see the types of game in this slide. Okay, so there are so many famous sports personalities. Yes, in India. Okay, so this game is javelin throw.
Boxing.
Yes, that is played by Neeraj Chopra. He won the gold medal for India. Okay, in the
Miss is
which is held
wrestling.
in,
Wrestling.
yes, this one is weightlifting. Very good, very good. Now, which is this player? This is Sachin
Sachin Tendulkar.
Tendulkar. Very good. Okay. So there are so many famous sports personalities in India, such as Sunil Gavaskar, Kapil Dev, and Sachin Tendulkar. He is famous for cricket. Okay. Now, PT Usha, she is famous for running. Yes.
Yes, miss.
Then PV Sindhu, she is famous for which game? Badminton. Very
Badminton.
good. Yes. And yes, very good. And Vishwanathan Anand, he is famous for chess.
Chess.
Okay. So, yes, very good. So, these are the famous sport personalities in India. Yes. So, similarly, Major Dhyanchand also famous for his hockey. This is the image of Major
Yes,
Dhyanchand.
miss.
Yes, he is famous for his hockey. Okay. Now, these are the equipment of hockey. Yes, this is the ball. Yes, this is the hockey stick. These are called the equipments. These are called the equipments
Miss.
of hockey. Okay. Now, this is the map of India. Yes,
Yes,
in
miss.
India, there are many states are there. Okay. This one is Uttar Pradesh. Can you see this?
Yes,
Uttar
miss.
Pradesh. Okay, so Major Dhyanchand was born on August 29 in Allahabad. Okay, in map of
Mr.
India, and you can
Dhyanchand
see this.
is
This is
born
the Uttar
Allahabad.
Pradesh. Yes, so Major Dhyanchand was born on August 29 in Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh, and his father Ram Subedar in Indian Army, and he also played hockey for the Indian Army. Yes, so Major, this is the city of Allahabad. Major Dhyanchand. He is also joined the Indian Army at the age of 16. When he was at the age of 16, Major Dhyanchand also joined the Indian Army. Yes, and his real name was Dhyan Singh. What was his real name? Dhyan Singh. Yes, and
Dancing.
Singh. Yes, very good. And his first coach, that is Major Dhyan Singh's first coach, Pankaj Gupta, awarded him the title of Chand. The title of Chand. So this is the Chand, that is moon. So why he give him the title of Chand? Because Dhyanchand was playing hockey with shining moon. This Yes, and this is the image of Major Dhyanchand, and he was playing hockey with the shining moon. That's why his first coach, that is Pankaj Gupta, awarded him the title. Yes, when you observe the Tokyo Olympic, at that time you observe this five circle, that is five rings. This represent, first one is Africa, second one is the America, third one is Asia, Europe, and Oceania. Yes, these five rings symbolize the union of the five continent. Yes, the five continent. These five rings represent the five habitat continents of the world. Yes, so this is the flag of, that is Olympic. Yes, now today our lesson is Major Dhyanchand.
Dancing.
So yes, this is the Berlin in 15th August 1936. It was the day, that is Saturday, and it was the day of hockey finals during the Olympic events held in Berlin. So this is the Berlin city. Can you see this? Yes, this is the
Yes.
Berlin city, and this is the Germany. That is the country. Yes, this is the Germany, and this is Berlin city. So, hockey finals during the Olympics event held in Berlin, Germany, and Germany had defeated several teams to enter the finals against the Indian team. Okay, they
Okay.
were the host of the Olympics. who were the host of the Olympic? That is Germany. Yes. Yes, very good. And perhaps that was the reason why the ruler Hitler. So can you see the image? This is the ruler of the Germany. What is his name? Hitler. Okay, so he himself come to watch the match. Hitler also come to watch the match, which is held in Berlin, Germany, within two teams, that is India and Germany. Okay, so all the day before it had rained heavily. When the match was held on, it had become waterlogged. So what is mean by waterlogged? So full of water, that is flooded. Yes, so the entire field had become waterlogged. But 15th August being the last day of the game, this was the last day of that hockey match, and it was not possible to postpone the match. Yes, postpone the match means to take place at later time. It is not possible. Okay, so match any further, and the Indian team was a little under pressure because it was raining heavily, and as they had lost to Germany in the practice match, and they were not very comfortable with the wet ground. Why it is wet? Because of the rain. Yes, yes, it is wet ground, and Indian team was not happy. Okay, so about 40,000 people. This is the audience. Yes, how many are there? There is so much network issue, sir.
What, miss?
Yes, yes. Am I audible?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So the match has started exactly at 11 a.m. in the morning, and the German team had adopted. Okay, so adopted means started use a particular method in that match, a novel strategy. Novel means new strategy, that is plan. Yes, of using the Indian technique of short distance passes against the Indian team itself. Yes, and they had resorted to a very aggressive. So, what is meant by aggressive? Aggressive means acting with force. Yes, the Indian team was offering an equally strong resistance. Resistance means strong opposition to something. Yes, no team could make a goal during the first half hour, and after that, during the 32nd minute, during the 32nd minute, Group Singh, you have to remember this name. During the 32nd minutes, Roop Singh scored the first goal. Who scored the first goal? Roop Singh scored the first goal, hitting the ball towards the goal post. Can you see this? He hitting the
Yes,
ball
miss.
to, yes, toward the goal post from the difficult angle. So he first uh, hit the first goal. Yes, in the second half of the match, there are two half, first half and second half. Okay, so in the second half of the match, the Indian team found a firm footing. Firm footing is a phrase. Okay, so it means a strong and in control. Firm footing means strong and in control. So in the second half of the match, the Indian team found what he found. He found footing, and the entire team played as one and made three more goals against Germany. Okay, and
Okay, miss.
two of them were made by captain of the Indian team. So who was the captain of the Indian team? That is Dhyan Chand. Okay, so he made how many goals? Two goals. First was made by Roop Singh, and after that two goals made by Dhyan Chand. That is, Dhyan Chand was at that time the captain of the Indian team. Okay, now however the German player were also trying their level best to win. They also trying to level best there to win the match. Okay, but they too succeeded in making only one goal. Yes, now only a few last minutes were left for the match to win the match, and Dhanchan had resolved to win the match at any cost without allowing Germany to make any more goals. Okay, so for that, why he do so? His spiked shoes, this is the image of spiked shoes. Can you see these are the spiked? Yes,
Yes, miss. No killer shoes.
yes, yes, very good, beta. So The spike shoes were making it difficult for him to Danchan to run fast on the wet ground because the ground was wet. Yes, so Danchan, what he do? He removed his shoes and socks and began to run barefoot. Yes, barefoot means he removed his shoes and he play the match. Yes, using his amazing skill of dribbling the ball and his near magical game, he began to send one pass after another to the player in the D area. Okay, so this is called the D area. This is the hockey ground, and this is called the D area. Yes, after that, in the defenders or opponents area from where they could make goals. Yes, this is called the D area. They too did not let passes go waste. The Indian team scored three more goals. Yes, first made by Roop Singh, and after that, two made by Dhanchan. Dhanchan was the captain at that time at the hockey team. Okay, so the Indian team scored three more goals, and Dhanchan could have easily made the goals himself from his own position. But he never played a selfish game. This is the image of Dhanchan. He never played a selfish game. Okay, and skillfully he took the ball away from the German defenders and make it possible for the players in the D area to score the goals. Yes, so in this way Major Dhyanchand play the hockey. Yes, after that the German strategy, that is plan, had proved fruitless. So what is meant by fruitless? Means producing no useful result. Yes, a defeat started them in the face. Some of them frustrated, means feeling annoyed, and German players then resorted to rough game. The German goalkeeper pounced on, means the act of using something Dhanchan and hurt him. He want to hurt him, means he want to hurt to Dhanchan. But Dhanchan was a true soldier because he was in the army. He was the true soldier, and after a little first aid, he immediately returned to the field and hailed the spectators. Spectators, that is audience. Yes, can you see this audience? That is 40,000 audience were there in that stadium. So spellbound with his game. Yes, spellbound means with your attention completely held by what you are watching. So all audience were carefully, yes, and attentively observed Dhanchan how he played the hockey match, and at last he scored the last goal. So this is the last goal made by Dhanchan. Can you see this? This is the image of Dhanchan. Yes, these are the 40,000 audience which is sitting in that uh, stadium. Yes, and the Indian team had won the third time in a row. Okay, first time, second time, and now third time Indian team won this hockey match. It was a hat trick. Yes, hat trick means third time, three time India team won the match. So Indians were the third time winners of the Olympic gold medal. Okay, and although this is first time, yes, this is the first time match they won. After that, this is the second time in 1932, first time in 1928, second time that is 1932, and third time that is in the Berlin means 1936. So these are the hat trick. So although Hitler left the stadium, so Hitler was also there. Okay, so he left the stadium before the match was over. He impressed by Dhanchand's game. Okay, he impressed by Dhanchand's game. It is said the German dictator that offered Dhanchan a higher salary. Hitler offered him a higher salary, okay, and rank in the German army. Yes, if he agreed to play on behalf of Germany. Yes, but Dhanchan turned down the offer. He never accepted that offer. He turned down that offer, and after the celebrated victory in the Olympics, Hitler awarded a special gold medal. Yes, this is the Hitler. ये जो है, this is the image of Hitler. This is Dhanchan, and Hitler awarded him a special gold medal. Yes, to Dhanchan because for his game, for his history, for his victory. Yes, you may aware that hockey is our national sport. Okay, This is the image. This is the statue of Dhyan Chand, and he's playing hockey. So hockey is our national sport. Yes, it is our national sport. And Major Dhyan Chand's birthday, it is on 29th August. Yes, and it is celebrated as a national sports day in India. Can you see this? This is the National Sports Day, that is 29th August. Okay, so Dhyan Chand's birthday is celebrated as a national sports day in India. Yes, so the famous national stadium, which is in Delhi. Yes, this is famous national stadium, which is situated in Delhi. Yes, it is named after the great hero Dhyan Chand. Yes, what is the name of this stadium? Major Dhyan Chand
Chandra
Stadium.
National
Okay, good. Yes, very good. So who knows, perhaps one of you may carry the legacy. Legacy means something done earlier or left behind by someone. So Dhyan Chand further and win great glory for our country. So this is the small and sweet story about the hockey player, that is Major Dhyan Chand. Yes, do you like this story? Yes or
Yes.
no? Yes, very good. Now, in Tokyo Olympic, that is 2021, the Indian hockey team won 3 Olympic. Okay. So, yes. So, India has won 7 medals in Tokyo Olympics 2021. Yes. So, the first image is, that is Ravi Kumar Dahiya. Yes. Yes, which is this
Ravi-
medal? This is silver medal. Can you see this? Can you
Yes,
see this?
Miss.
Yes, yes, this is silver medal. So Ravi Kumar Dahiya, this is the image of Ravi Kumar Dahiya. So he won silver medal in wrestling. Yes. After that, this is the first medal. Okay. Now the second one. Can you see this? Yes.
Yes.
She is PV Sindhu. She is PV Sindhu.
No.
Okay, so PV Sindhu won bronze medal. Can you see this medal? This is bronze medal. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. So PV Sindhu won bronze medal in badminton. Which is this game? Badminton.
Badminton.
Badminton. Very good. Now, this is Mirabai Chanu. Yes? This is the
Mera
image. Very good. This is the image of Mirabai Chanu, and Mirabai Chanu won silver medal. This is also silver medal. Can you see this?
Yes.
Yes, this is silver medal. So she won silver medal in weightlifting. Okay.
Yes.
After that, this is the image of Lovlina. What is her name?
Lovelina.
Lovlina.
Lovlina.
Very good. Very good. And she won bronze medal. This is the image of bronze medal. Yes. And she won bronze medal in
Boxing.
welterweight boxing. That is welterweight boxing.
Boxing.
Yes. After that, this is the image of Neeraj Chopra. Yes.
Yes.
This is the image of Neeraj Chopra, who won the gold medal. This is the gold medal. Yes. And he won gold medal in javelin throw. This is called javelin throw.
True.
Yes. After that, the last image is, that is Neeraj Chopra. Sorry, it is Bajrang Punia. Sorry, it is Bajrang Punia. Yes, this is the image of Bajrang Punia. Yes, so Bajrang Punia won bronze medal. This is bronze medal in his hand. So he won bronze medal in freestyle wrestling. Yes, freestyle wrestling. And last, there is a Indian hockey team. This is also Indian hockey team. Okay, so the Indian hockey team won this medal. Yes. Now this is the time of evaluation. So this is, you have to read the question, that is name the following. That is name the following. So please read the first question.
I can read.
Yes, yes, please read.
Host of the 1936 Olympic Games.
Okay, so who was the host of the 1936 Olympic Games? It is India or Germany?
India.
No, the match
Germany.
was, yes, the match was, I show that map now, that is
Yes,
Germany and
Germany.
Berlin. Okay, so your answer is Germany. What is your answer?
Germany.
Germany. Very good. So host, the first question is the host of the 1936 Olympic Games. So your answer should be Germany because it is held in Germany, that is in Berlin. Okay.
Ruler of
Yes.
Germany.
Okay. So who was the ruler of Germany?
Hitler.
Excellent, beta. Hitler was the ruler of Germany. Very good. Now the third question.
No
Read it.
comfortable with the weight ground.
Okay. So which team was not comfortable with the weight ground?
Indian team.
Excellent, excellent. Indian team was not comfortable with the wet ground because of rain. The ground was fully wet. Okay. Now fourth question.
The first goal in the match.
Okay, scored the first goal in the match. So who scored the first goal in the match?
Miss Ravi.
Roop Singh. It is Roop Singh. Good.
Yes.
Roop Singh. And Danchan made how many goals? 2 goals. Okay. After
goals.
that, yes, very good. Now fifth question.
Captain of the Indian team.
Okay, who was the captain of the Indian team at that time?
Uh, Major Dhyan Chandra.
Dhyanchand. Excellent. So Major Dhyanchand was the captain of the Indian team. Okay. Okay. We today we learn about Major Dhyanchand, that is the wizard of hockey. Okay. Major Dhyanchand was also called the wizard of the hockey. Hockey के जादूगर भी उन्हें कहा जाता था. Okay. Hockey के जादूगर, the wizard of the hockey. Okay. So this is the lesson. This is the short story about Major Dhyanchand. Okay. This is our evaluation that you know. Name the following. And this is the homework time. Okay.
Screenshot.
Yes, yes. You can take screenshot. You can take screenshot. So these are the indoor and outdoor game. You know it well. Okay, these are the images of indoor and outdoor games. Yes. And here are the name, that is fishing. After, yes, recording, reading books. Okay. Playing. After that, cycling, drawing. Yes. Horse riding.
Indoor
Okay.
means
Yes, playing the guitar. So these are various game which are, some are indoor game and some are outdoor game. Okay. So what you can do in the homework, you have to draw the pictures, you have to draw the images in your English notebook, all these images, and then you have to separate the outdoor game in this box, outdoor game in this box, and indoor game in this box. So this is your today's homework. Do you understand? Do you understand? Yes. Okay. Okay. Thank you all of you for your kind support and cooperation. Okay. Take care.